right back there. No way. It appears that the dimensions are collapsing on one another.
Ratchet and Clank? No way.
Right. The ship. I mean, we can't be that far.
Oh my god.
I have it in my sights. They have found us, Ratchet.
Sony.
How much steer this thing? Ask nicely.
Oh my god.
Please. That's not listening.
Oh, everyone's gonna go insane.
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
Oh my god.
How bad is it?
I did not expect this.
Well, it is certainly not good. Great. Where are we? Beats me.
I can't. There's just no way.
Ratchet, we are too late. Ratchet?
What the fuck? You've got to be shitting me. And you've Ratchet and Clank.
Hi, I'm Mark, creative director at Insomniac Games. The entire studio is so excited to be able to share with you a first ever look at Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. Brand new, full-length, interdimensional adventure built from the ground up for the PlayStation 5. We're doing things we've never been able to do before, like use dimensional rifts to be able to leap from planet to planet nearly instantly, or put ray trace reflections on Clank. All of our alien worlds are filled with density and life previously unseen. Plus, Ratchet's all-new arsenal is more exciting than ever thanks to the DualSense controller's enhanced feedback. Ratchet and Clank are near and dear to our hearts at Insomniac, and we can't wait to share more with you in the future. But for now, here's another look.
Oh, this is literally the best thing ever.
Did you see that?
Yes, I saw that. Holy shit! Did not see this coming.
It's Ratchet and Clank.
Sand sharks from above.
Oh, the chat must be going mad right now.
Nice sand shark! Nice sand shark! My heroes!
Was that a kraken? Or at least a very large octopus.
This looks amazing.
I will never get used to that. Hey, break reality.
This looks like so much fun.
The adopted a various greenery service after all these years, just to try and take over the universe again. Yeah! I kinda wish he was doing a worse job! That's what I'm afraid of.
Oh my god. I can die happy now. That is so clever how you can just jump between all of that instantly.
That's all of them.
Starting off strong. Jesus Christ, we've had Spider-Man and now we've got Ratchet and Clank.